Welcome to TPCloud's YouTube channel, which shares technology information, especially in the field of cloud computing. Today we will continue with the Let's Started with TPCloud series, and this is part 3. We will talk about vApp. A vApp consists of one or more virtual machines that communicate over a network and use resources and services in a deployed environment. A vApp can contain multiple virtual machines. Instead of creating a vApp based on a vApp template, you can decide to create a new vApp using virtual machines from catalogs, new virtual machines, or a combination of both. You can create and deploy a vApp directly from an OVF package without creating a vApp template and a corresponding catalog item. You can create a new vApp based on a vApp template stored in a catalog to which you have access. Now, let's try. Go to the virtual data center. In tab, vApp, click New vApp. Give name, and click Create. And vApp has been created. Way 2, we can create vApp from OVF or OVA file. Click at vApp from OVF file. Browse to OVF file. Configure something you want. And now you can see upload and create vApp process. Way 3, we can create vApp form template. Go to the library. In vApp template tab, select vApp you want and click Create vApp. Config something you want. Choose the virtual data center you want to locate at vApp. And click Finish. After Create vApp, you can modify some setting of vApp. For example, I will change my vApp name. Also, I add a new network for vApp. We can move the vApp to another virtual data center. Now, let's check vApp in another VDC. As you can see, vApp has been moved here. You can also copy scoped vApp to another virtual data center. Success. Let's check vApp in Demo Virtual Data Center. You can also delete vApp. Next, you can add VM to vApp. If you want, you can add VM as a template to catalogs. And check the catalogs now. As you can see, it's here. And lasted, you can download vApp as a OVF file. The file has been downloaded. Through these short videos, you can create, edit, delete, or manage the vApp for your VDC. This is the forepart of a series of tutorials on how to use the VPC service of TPCloud. Please subscribe to the channel and watch the next tutorials. And do not forget, if you are looking for a professional cloud service provider, contact us at www.tpcloud.vn. Thank you and have a nice day.